Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to export a document on ClickUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and actually print out the scope of work that you created. How do you actually go ahead and export a document on ClickUp? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's first open up our Documents button on ClickUp. Then click on the document you want to go ahead and export. And then from here, you actually can click on here where it says Imports and Exports, and you can export it as a PDF, HTML, Markdown, or print. In addition to that, if you click onto a document, then click on the three dots right over here, and then click on Sharing and Permissions, you could actually go ahead and export this document from this button here as well. So same formats, PDF, HTML, and Markdown. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and export a document on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.